Alright guys, so it's been 2 weeks since I uploaded my last video about this, which it was a snowstorm that it was actually crazy. And 2 weeks later, today, right now, I'm recording this video. What happened to the snow? Like 2 weeks later, they're all gone. It's actually crazy when you think about it. All the snow just got melted, which that snowstorm was like 2 weeks ago. And look, not a single snow in here. And there might be no snowstorm, I think. I'm not sure yet. Although there's like a little snow in there, but it doesn't matter. And that's pretty much it for this video. See there, no snow. And yes, can you guys like please subscribe to hit 200 subscribers by the end of 2026. So if you want to subscribe, that will be helpful. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.